Title: How to Make Money Online. Intro: Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you some effective ways to make money online. So, let's dive in. Method 1: Freelancing. One of the best ways to make money online is through freelancing. You can offer your skills and services to clients from all over the world. Freelancing jobs can range from content writing, graphic designing, web development, video editing, and more. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great platforms to start your freelancing journey. Method 2: Online surveys. Another way to make money online is by taking online surveys. Many companies are looking for opinions and feedback from their customers, and they are willing to pay for it. Websites like Swagbucks, Taluna, and Vindel Research are some of the best survey sites that pay you for completing surveys. Method 3: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online. You can promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale you make. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction are some of the popular affiliate marketing platforms. Method 4: Online teaching. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular subject, you can teach it online and make money. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare are great platforms to start teaching online. You can create your own courses and sell them on these platforms. Method 5: Dropshipping. Dropshipping is another way to make money online. You can start your own online store and sell products without actually keeping inventory. When someone buys a product from your store, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. Websites like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce are some of the popular dropshipping platforms. Conclusion. So, these are some of the ways to make money online. Remember, it takes time, effort, and dedication to make a substantial amount of money online. You need to choose the method that suits your skills and interests and work hard to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching.